Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming compatibility and securing a backup so you can act confidently. First, check your Mac model against Apple's supported list and free up at least 20 to 35 gigabytes. Once done, run a full-time machine backup or create a bootable clone and verify it boots. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and that Find My Mac is off if you'll erase the drive. Then download the official installer from the App Store or System Settings. You'll now make an installer or pick Internet Recovery depending on needs. If you want a USB installer, insert a 16 GB drive, run the Create Install Media command in Terminal as shown in the installer's documentation, and wait until it finishes. If you prefer, restart and hold Option Command R to use Internet Recovery, which fetches Apple's servers. That's slower but avoids USB steps. Make sure File Vault is off while installing, and disconnect printers and drives to reduce driver conflicts during setup. You finish by booting the installer and selecting the destination volume. For a clean install, open Disk Utility, erase the drive as apps, then proceed with installation. Once Mac OS is installed, complete initial setup, then use Migration Assistant or Time Machine to restore your files and apps. Make sure to install all system updates and firmware patches afterward. If something goes wrong, stalls at a progress bar, or you hit kernel panics, reset and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.